From order to installation and beyond, we keep it simple. Once you've chosen to power your new project with solar lights, our team of experts will customize a complete EverGen solar lighting system for you. And our support doesn't end when you place your order. Our system check carries you from simulation to system setup and beyond. Sol's awesome customer support team ensures everything arrives on time, and setup tools help any crew get started once on site. Every EverGen system comes as a complete kit. Your entire project can be commissioned and lit in a single day, using only standard equipment, no local utility required. Once the lights are placed and adjusted, our EverGen mobile app helps you turn them on. The app guides your on-site crew through a few short steps to test and commission each light, syncing with the light's built-in smart technology, the EverGen EMS, the brains of the system. After installation, the EMS also notifies you about performance and faults for a reliable, smarter system that lasts. Total setup time? Less than an hour per light. Feel confident you can set up your system faster, knowing everything will work. Ready to get started? Build an online quote or talk to a solar lighting specialist today.